So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to convert on OKX in step by step. So first, you need to open your OKX application, and after that, you need to open your account by entering your credentials. And after that, you will navigate to the trade section. And once you are in, just simply click the convert button. If you find it, then click for the convert from, and after you click on it, just select the cryptocurrency you wanted to convert on. So for example, I wanted to convert the Bitcoin, so I will select the Bitcoin cryptocurrency. And after that, you need to tender an amount of how much BTC you wanted to convert it. And then click the preview order if you already finalize the amount you wanted to convert to. And click confirm to proceed your purchase or to proceed your conversion. And that's how you convert on OKX in step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.